Jai Hind, all of you. So welcome back to the math class again. So in last class we have read about the number system, right? So again we talk about the number system in other way. So let's start some problem so we can get easily this problem. So let's start. Okay, Jai Hind everyone. Welcome back to the math class. So we are starting again then with the number systems. Last class we have seen few questions from the exercises. Again we talk about the few again new topics. The topic is, so let's start the topic, that simplification, how to do the simplification. I hope already you have an idea about that, how to do the simplification. One rule generally we are following to simplify, that is called that BODMAS. Normally it is known as the Bodmas rules. Okay, so what this Bodmas rules tells us, that is obviously it is taking from that this full form, that B for bracket, AO for order, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtractions. So one examples we can see, that if we have these questions, like here you can see one question has been given, 36 divided by 6 into 3 plus 2 square minus in first bracket plus 3 plus 5. So how to solve this? Obviously you have to follow this sequence, the BODMAS sequence. Okay, so what we are getting, that at first we have to complete our bracket work. 36 divided by 6, then we are getting that 6 into 3. After that 2 plus 2 square is coming, and bracket that 3 plus 5 is 8. So we are doing the first bracket work. Then what we are doing, we are going to the next work out order. So 36 divided by 6, then what we can find, 6 multiply 3 plus 4, 2 square equals to 4, and minus 5 8. Now after bracket, what we will see, the division, we have to go for the division. So 36 divided by 6 equals to 6 into 3 plus 4 minus 8. 6 plus 4 minus 8. So what we are getting, that after that we are getting that multiplication. Multiplication 18 plus 4 minus 8. So after that obviously here it is coming that addition. So 22 minus 8, that is the 14 will be the answer. So last we are doing the subtraction and we are getting our answer 14. So by this way, that means by following the BODMAS, that's the Bodmas, that theory, we can easily solve any simplification problem. So let's start few more problems of BODMAS. So simplification problem, so we can solve more problems. Sorry. Now one more question is there. The question is simplify these equations. So we are not writing the question again. So we can find that at first of order is there. So what we will do, that 50 minus 4 square equals to 16. Then what we are finding, that division is there, and after that multiplication is there. According to the BODMAS, that it is coming, that after that division it will come. After that division it will come. So 50 minus 16 divided by 2, we know that it is coming that 8. 8 multiply 5. So after that we will do the multiplication and we are getting 50 minus 40. So what we are getting, that 10 equals to answer. 10 will be the answer. So by this way we can solve any problem. Okay. Now we are moving to the next problem. The problem solved is already there. Again I am doing this one. So next problem, if we talk about that, convert into the meter. So already you know about that, how to convert in different units. So here meter to centimeter and millimeter to meter conversion is there. So what I am saying, that meter, then it is coming that decimeter, then coming centimeter, and ultimately it is coming millimeter. So what we are finding for the first question, that number 1, 500 centimeter is there. I hope you can see that 500 centimeter is there. So from the centimeter, if we going to the meter, Okay, wait. Centimeter to meter, if we are going, so we have to divide by 100. So what we will do? We will divide this 500 with the 100, and we are getting that 5 meter. We are getting that 5 meter. So first question we are getting easily. Now if I talk about the second question, so what is the second question is there? So second question we are getting that 7 lakh millimeter. What we are getting? 7 lakh millimeter. 1 2 3 4 5. So millimeter is there. So to go to the meter unit, we have to divide by 1000. We have to divide by 1000. So we are just dividing by 1000. What we are getting? We are getting that 700 meter. We are getting 700 meter. So I hope you can understand that how to convert centimeter to meter and millimeter to meter. Now again we are going to the next part, which is called simplification. Again obviously after doing the one unit conversion, again we are coming back to the simplification. So let's see what questions are there. So two questions are present here. What questions? Question number B and question number E. So if I talk about the question number B, what is present here? 25 divided by 5 square into 9. So we have to follow that BOD MAS rules. Okay. So at first I will do the division. So 20, obviously at first I will do the order. That order is present here. 25 divided by 25 into 9. So after that order, we are going to the, what we will do? We will do the division. So 1 divided by 1 multiply with 9. So what we are getting? We are getting 9 as the answer. So I hope this question number B you are getting. So now question number E I am talking about. Question number E, what you can see that 284 minus 14, in the parenthesis it is given that 296 minus 276. So according to the BODAMS rule, what we are seeing that as bracket is there, so we are proceeding with the bracket. So I am just writing, as you know, that 284 minus 14 into 20. Now why? Obviously here you can say after subtracting 296 from 276 we are getting 20. Now according to the BODMS, after bracket we are proceeding with the multiply. So 284 minus 14 into 20, it is coming as a 280. So after that we will do that simple subtraction. So 284 minus 280, simple answer is coming 4. So 4 will be the answer. So by this way you have to do the simplification. I hope you understand the simplification part. So if you understand the simplification part, in your textbook questions a lot of simplification questions there, and please try to practice all the question in assignment also. I hope you will get some more questions. So next questions I am seeing here that conversion, again we are coming to the again conversion. So what we are finding that the first question it is there that convert 500 centimeter to meter. So what if I am writing like this, kilometer, then it is coming that hectometer, then decameter, then meter, then decimeter, then centimeter, and ultimately it is coming millimeter. So first question is simply representing that we have to go centimeter to meter. So obviously when we are moving to the left hand side, you know that we have to do the division by 100. So how can I get the answer? So if I talk about the number 1, so 500 centimeter, if I divided by the 100, you will get the result 5 meter. So I hope understand for the first question. If I talk about the second question, when it is given that 6 lakh centimeter into the kilometer. So from centimeter to kilometer if we go, then you can see we have to divide by 1 lakh. So 6 lakh I am writing here, 6 lakh I am written. Then I divide with the 1 lakh. The 50 we have to put here. So what we are getting? We are getting 6 meter. So 6 kilometer, sorry, 6 kilometer. 6 kilometer we are getting the answer. Now next question is convert 72 meter to centimeter. Here it is a very important, that meter to centimeter. That means if you are moving to the right side, that time you have to multiply with the 100. Okay, so question number 3 is there. I have the 72 meter. So what I have to do? I have to multiply with the 100 and I will get 7200 centimeter. 7200 200 centimeter. So these things are very easy. I hope you understand that how to convert meter and centimeter and kilometer. So by this way you can do practice that more unit conversion. Now coming back to the next question, that how to write Roman numerals. Okay, 1 to 2 part is there, 400 and 16, 19, 98. So if I talk about the 400, then what I will do, that at first I will write the 500. 500 means D, and I am subtracting D from the 100. So I will get that CD. CD representing that 400. Now I am moving back to the 600, 1698. So how can we draw this 1698? At first 1000 is there. So 1000, how can I write? The 1000 I think that it's coming as a M. Right? Then 500 I will draw. 105, 500, 1500 we have done. Next 100 I am adding. So 1600. Then we have to do the 90. So 50 at first I will write. 40, the 50 minus 10, the 40 is coming. Then it is coming that okay, sorry, then it is a 160, 100, 600. Then I have to add the 98. 98 how can I get? I am getting by adding the 50 plus, you can say that all the 30, 40 and then 80, or we can do one thing, that we write that 100 and 12. It is a, you can say that is a called 106, 16998, 16998. It is showing that 1698. So this is the one things we can do. Okay. Now next one is that write in Roman numeral 104. So I hope you can easily understand this one. C14 is called that 104. So by this way you can easily solve. Okay. Next, moving to the next part, that write the Hindu Arabic numerals. So what we can see, that 50 minus 10, 40 is there, 40 plus, it is a 44. It is a 44 we are getting. Now what we are getting here, that 50 plus 50, and then we are getting 10 plus 10, that is a 70 we are getting. We are getting 70. So by this way we can solve any Roman number to Hindu Arabic numerals, or we can convert the Hindu Arabic numerals to Roman numerals. So I hope you understand this part. Now we are moving to the next part. The last questions I am talking about, the distance between Jammu and Srinagar is 266.3 kilometer. So what is the distance between the Jammu and Srinagar? Jammu to Srinagar has a distance 266.3 kilometer. 266.3 kilometer. Very good. Now I am just writing the Kimi. Now Jammu to Pahalgam has a distance. Jammu to Pahalgam has a distance 2482 hectometer. 2482 hectometer. So obviously you can understand that we have to convert this hectometer to kilometer. So how can you convert this one? Obviously to hectometer to kilometer we have to divide by 10. So what we are getting? 2482 divided by 10, and we will get that 248.2. 248.2 kilometer. Now the question is here, that find the difference between the two distances. So what will be the difference? So just do the difference. Remember that never subtract any unit without matching the unit. Okay. Obviously if the kilometer is there, you have to convert this kilometer, then you have to do the subtraction, otherwise it will not possible. So 266.3 minus 248.2. 248.2. So what I am getting? I will get 0.1, then 8, then 5 minus 4 is 1. So 18.1 kilometer is your answer. This is the difference. This is the difference between that two distances. So by this way you can easily solve the problems. Okay. So if you have any problem, again we will discuss new parts. Obviously in your exercise question, lot of this type of questions are there. Please practice this so you can easily understand that how can you solve this. More you practice, more you understand. So with this one I am concluding my video. Again we'll meet. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Jai Hind.